So today we're going to review the Magic Keyboard from Apple. Basically, I bought a Mac Mini, and as you know, if you're familiar with Apple products, it doesn't come with a keyboard. I have the Magic Mouse and some other accessories. I did buy another keyboard off Amazon, which I did connect, and it worked pretty well, but every once in a while when when my Mac Mini went to sleep and it booted back up, the keyboard wouldn't be connected. So I'd have to plug another keyboard in order for it to connect again. So it really wasn't ideal. So today, got the Mac Magic Keyboard, and we're gonna see what happens. Try to understand. He's a magic man. So we're gonna unbox the Mac Magic Keyboard. As you see here, I do have the mouse. I had it for my laptop. So we're gonna unbox this and actually see what's in it. And I got my handy dandy pink childproof scissors that I always seem to use when I'm unboxing stuff. I don't know why, but we're gonna open this sucker up and see what comes in this box. So, as you see here, it is the keyboard. Okay, it's actually really light and thin, which is pretty cool. The black does match the black of my mouse. It comes with the black lightning cable, and of course it comes with the book, and that's pretty much what's in the box. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to plug this guy in and show you what happens. As you can see, we have our Magic Keyboard in front of our Mac Mini. Now what we're going to do here, you can see, there's a USB, but there's also a little tiny on switch right there. So we're going to switch it to on and see if we could actually find the Mac keyboard. Now it did find the the Magic Keyboard with numerical keypad is the one we have. So we're going to hit connect there. And now, as you can see, the keyboard is connected. It shows us the keyboard power at 91%. We're just going to open up a real quick, we're going to hit done here. We're going to open up a real quick text document. And you can see there, the Magic Keyboard is working. Well, that's the unboxing, and that's how you connect your your Magic Keyboard for Apple. And check it out. You can see it's matching colors with my Mac Mini as well as my mouse. So looks pretty sweet. Looks like a nice keyboard. Can't wait to play with it for a few days. And if you have any comments, please add them into the description below. Have a great day, everyone.